Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my meal planner, which I actually use as a wellness planner, and I'm going to be using the petite sticker book Be Well, as well as a wellness book, The New Wellness Warrior. And I pulled out another page of stickers that is wellness, and that one was from I think Erin Condren. It came in one of her wellness journals or books, but I didn't think I was going to use it, so I don't know. It's just as a backup because, as you can see, I have no clue what I'm doing this week. So first and foremost, I am covering up the ingredients to prep because that's not what I'm going to be doing. I pulled out all of these like little mini stickers and I'm placing them on that line. And why do I do that? I wanted to say thank you. If you are just brand new here and you just found me, thank you so much for joining me and welcome. And if you are coming back to my channel, thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me again. I really appreciate you and I hope you enjoy this. So, as you can see, this is not the easiest layout to work with. So I am pulling out like all of these things. So I wanted to work with teal and purple, so I pulled out the dot pens, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be using them. And I have the petite sticker book, and I think I'm going to also go pull out the Wellness Warrior, which I just did now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with some of those stickers and go from there and see how it goes. I do want this to be very much a wellness, good feeling spread. So I'm adding the two quotes. One says, interrupt anxiety with gratitude, and then the other one says, girl, you already have what it takes. So very encouraging messages this week for myself, and I think that's exactly what I need. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out all of these little nuggets out of my planner, and they're gonna be sitting on the back of my hand till I'm ready for them again. And I'm gonna go ahead and start putting some boxes on the bottom. So I can track a few things. So outside of my meals, which you can see are already laid out, I actually track my medications, so any kind of supplements I take and any kind of prescription meds, and then steps, mood, and my sleep. So all of those things are super important, and I want to make sure that I'm holding myself accountable, and if I have to write it down, I probably will be more likely to do it. So this is kind of where I am. I'm adding all of these boxes. I'm gonna add smaller ones in between, like so. And then I'll be able to track all of those things I was talking about. I'm gonna add those little nuggets of stuff, like the me time, workout, unplug, the little humidifier, bath time, and a candle, all around those notes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start doing some other stuff and the planner to make sure it's decorated. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull a few little decorations. These are clear pages, and they just have a really good things like focus and relax, and other really positive messages like believe, happy, more rest, and breathe. So that's kind of where I wanted to go ahead and add those. I think that those look so fun. They're almost like a little cloud that is just hanging above those little boxes. So now I'm pulling out different ones that actually have icons on them, and I'm gonna add those, like connect, and then move, explore, rest, create, which I love, unplug. So I know it's kind of probably ironic that connect and unplug are on the same day, but what I mean is unplug for a couple like an hour or hour and a half in the morning, and then connect with loved ones in the afternoon, and that might be good. So when I come home, I can go and read a few books or do something like that, but during workday, obviously it's gonna be impossible not to be on your computer and on your devices. Anyhow, so I am adding all of these little like me time faces to the spread, and some yoga and candles and humidifiers and all the self-loving things. And that's kind of how I'm filling up the spread, and I am going to keep it pretty simple like this. I know this layout is pretty impossible to decorate, which I know, but I'm really enjoying finding new ways to create spreads with this. I hope you guys are enjoying watching this, and thanks for spending the time with me today. I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks!